Most of the social media platforms try and tempt you into inviting all your friends to like your new Facebook page. Should you do it? No, you shouldn't, and here's why. So, you've set up a new Facebook page and your mouse is hovering all over the invite all your friends to like this page button. One click and your invitation can reach dozens, if not hundreds of people all at once. It's tempting, isn't it? But should you do it? It's great to be surrounded by supportive followers, even if they are just doing you a favour and are never going to become a customer. But from a marketing perspective, it's vital to first and foremost concentrate your efforts on connecting with people who make up your target market, your real customers who will be buying from you. Having vanity followers and fans may look good, and it sure can help build an element of trust, but if you're not enjoying sales from them, your time and effort is largely being wasted. Let's face it, you're busy enough as it is. I turn down almost all invitations to like or follow stuff on social media, not because I'm mean, but I'm not really interested in what most people are trying to get me to like. Sorry, but by doing so, I'm doing you a big favour, at least in the long term. Now, I'm happy to like businesses that I am interested in, of course, because I may be able to refer them on to other people in my circle. But if I've agreed to like 101 others, I'm likely to disappoint them because A, I'm not going to buy from them, B, I'm not likely to interact either, and C, I'm probably not in the sphere of influence. Pre-internet and long before the introduction of Facebook and all the other social media platforms that preceded it, we marketers realised that all your efforts need to be pumped into attracting targeted prospects rather than begging mates to show any interest in your business. Anything else is not a really good use of your time or the businesses that you like. But what is the harm in inviting your mates to like your page? Surely getting lots of friends won't really have a detrimental effect on your business, right? Let's look though why it can damage your marketing efforts. Inviting everyone in your friends list to follow you just results in a scattergun approach and can dilute your prospect lists with people that are just trying to do you a favour. That's not good marketing because it'll be impossible to measure the success of your campaigns effectively. When you've just spent £1,000 on advertising campaigns, you'll need to be able to measure how effective they've been. And if you've got a ton of mates in your ad audience, then it's going to give you very disappointing results and you won't learn a thing. Don't get me wrong, I've done the very same thing myself. In the early years of social media, I paid good money buying followers to boost some of my early accounts, some of them to more than 30,000 followers and fans. But guess what happened? Engagement was practically zero. And after Facebook changed their page algorithms around 7 or 8 years ago, my post reach dropped to under 1% as a result. And when I attempted to run campaigns, the results were unreliable because they weren't even my target market, so there was nothing to learn from running the campaigns. It was all a pointless exercise. The odd few requests to like a page is okay, but if you're relying on your mates to boost your perceived popularity, it can really create problems when it comes to trying to reach real customers who are genuinely interested in buying from you. Next time your mouse is hovering over that invite button, take a look at their profile and ask yourself, is this person genuinely interested in my page or product? Or am I just trying to get free likes that may come back and haunt me? When you're first starting out, It's okay to get a few likes from your close friends because it might just kickstart your new page, but don't overdo it. 10 or 20 likes from your buddies isn't going to hurt your marketing, but mass invites to hundreds won't do you any favours in the long run. Don't rely on getting friends to like your page. Relying on vanity metrics to grow your social media will only come back and haunt you. If you've got any great stories about inviting friends to like your social media pages, then please share them with us by commenting below. Good luck, and use the social media invite button very, very carefully in future. See you on the next tutorial.